What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2009 Hyosung GT650R. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. Yeah, I don't know why I just tried to fire it up. I've been doing so many of these, going crazy. We got a scuff here in the rear. Scuff here on the rear bar, grab bar, not a big deal. Tires are in great shape. It does have a Two Brothers factory exhaust. I don't know what this orange stuff is, just chilling right here. This bike is awesome though. It's super cheap for what it is. Got a couple little scuffs along the side here, not a big deal. Got some scuffs down along here. Front fender's in good shape, front tire's in great shape. Yeah guys, this bike's in awesome shape. I believe this bike may be sold, not 100% sure. Top of the tank's in good shape. Got some scuffs, not a big deal. Like I said guys, 7,202 miles on it. 2009 Hyosung GT650R. This bike's super cool looking guys, it runs great. I think honestly I might be becoming a Hyosung fan. I don't know, we have two Hyosungs now. They're nice bikes for the money, man. But thanks a ton for watching guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. Check you guys later.